Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to master emojis and reactions in Slack to keep your team communication fast, fun, and efficient. Step 1. Adding emojis to your messages. The most basic way to use emojis is by inserting them directly into your text as you type. Click the smiley face icon in the message bar to open the emoji picker. You can browse categories or use the search bar to find a specific vibe. If you want to move even faster, use the colon shortcut. Type a colon followed by the name of the emoji, like smiley cat, and press enter. This is the ultimate pro tip for keeping your hands on the keyboard. Step 2. Reacting with reactjis. Emoji reactions are the secret to zero-noise communication. They allow you to acknowledge a message without sending a whole new notification to the channel. Hover over any message and click the Add Reaction, smiley face with a plus, icon. Choose an emoji to attach it to that specific message. For 2026, Slack has improved one-click reactions. You can now customize the 3 emojis that appear instantly when you hover, such as a check mark for done or eyes for looking at this. It turns a 3-click process into a single tap. Step 3. Creating custom emojis. If the standard library doesn't have what you need, you can upload your own images to represent your team's unique culture. Open the emoji picker and click Add Emoji in the bottom left corner. Upload a small image file, square PNGs with transparent backgrounds work best, and give it a unique name. Once saved, your entire workspace can use it. These custom emojis are perfect for inside jokes, company logos, or even mini-me headshots of your coworkers for quick delegation. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.